once again I'll go through what we did yesterday. Okay, now सबसे पहले sample space. Sample space यानी क्या? The set of all possible outcomes. Okay, then event. What is an event? It's a subset of a sample space. Intersection. Then intersection of event. Now, what is intersection of event? A intersection B. It means what? It means both A and B occur together. For example, I read English newspaper as well as Gujarati newspaper. Okay. Then fourth, union of events. What is union of events? A, U, B. Union B is at least one of the events occur. It means what? कम से कम एक, यानी क्या? Either A or B or both. Say for example, I read at least one of the newspaper coming to my house. So either English or Gujarati or both. At least यानी कम से कम. Got it? Then complementary event. It means what? If A is an event of sample space U, all other elements of sample space except A is complementary event. You understood this? Say for example, A is the event that I read English newspaper. Okay? तो A का complementary event क्या है कि I do not read English newspaper. Understood this? Okay? Now, sixth, difference event is very important. It means over here, it is A minus B or B minus A. A occurs, but B does not occur. And B occurs, A does not occur. Understood this? Okay. Then, seventh, mutually exclusive. यानी क्या? A intersection B is equal to none. It means both do not occur together. Got it? Okay. Then eight, exhaustive. Exhaustive यानी क्या? A union B is equal to U. And then mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Understood this? याद आ गया सबको? Okay. 2. 6-phase balanced dice are thrown simultaneously. Write the sample space of this random experiment and hence write the set showing the following events. Now, सबसे पहले we have to write the sample space. So U is equal to I, J, where I and J is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is what we read symbolically. But I wanted to write everything so that तुम्हारे mind में ये आ जाए कि इसमें क्या क्या numbers आते हैं. Got it? You may also write this. U is equal to, समझ में आया ना ये? नहीं समझ में आया? See, I, J. So this is 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1. Got it? Okay? That's why we write I, J is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total outcomes is equal to 36. Now what we have to find first? A1. Sum of number on dice is 7. Sum of number on dice is equal to 7. So A1 is equal to, now 1, 1 to 1, 5. Total is 6. So 1, comma 6. Simple heading. First is 1, 6. So total is 7. Then 2, 5. Then 3, 4. Then 4, 3. Then 5, 2. And then 6, comma 1. Second, A2 is equal to sum of number of dice is less than 4. Sum of number on dice is less than 4. Is less than 4. So it should not be 4. Is this clear? Okay. Which is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2. Third, event A3, sum of numbers on dice is divisible by 3. So 1, 2 is divisible by 3. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. 1, 5 is divisible by 3. 6 are the total. Okay. So multiple of 3 we have to take. 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. Then 2, 1, 2, 4. 2, 4 आएगा ना? Okay. Then 3, 3. Then 3, 6. Then 4, 2. Then 4, 2 is 6. 5, 4, 2. Yes, that's 9. Very good. 4, 5. Then 5. 5, 1. 5, 4. 6, 3. 6, 6. 12 outcomes. So we will say outcomes n is equal to 12. Fourth one. A4. Sum of dice. Sum of number on dice is more than 12. A4 is equal to null or empty. 0. No chance. Two numbers are selected at random from first 5 natural numbers. The sum of two selected number is at least 6 is denoted by event A, and the sum of two selected number is even is denoted by event B. Write the set showing the following events and answer the given question. Now first is we have to find sample space U from 5 numbers. So numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From 5 numbers we have to select how many numbers? 2 numbers. Can you make the sample space? Write them in brackets. We start with 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, and 4, 5. Now, event A, second. A is what? A is sum of two selected numbers. Sum of two selected numbers is at least 6. So A is equal to कम से कम 6, so minimum 6. So 1, 5, minimum 6. So 6 or more. 2, 3, 2, 4. 2, 5. 3, 4. 3, 5. And 4, 5. Third, B is equal to sum of two selected number is even. Sum of two selected numbers is even. Now over here, B is equal to sum is even. So 1 and 2, 3. So it is odd. So 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, not come, 3, 5. That's it. Okay. A union B. A union B is equal to, सब आ जाएंगे. Okay. So we start with 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5. इसके अलावा 1, 3, 1, 5 आ गया, 2, 4 आ गया, 3, 5 भी आ गया. A intersection B. Now what is common between A and B? Now 1, 5, 2, 4 and 3, 5. 1, 5, 2, 4 and 3, 5. Sixth, A complement. Now A is all these numbers. A complement यानी इसके अलावा. So 1, 2, then 1, 3, then 1, 4, 1, 5 is there, 2, 3, 2, 3, then 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5. That's it. Can I say A complement is that the sum of two selected number is less than 6? Can I say this less than 6? Okay, because this is what 6 or more. तो complement क्या है? Less than 6. Got it? Okay. Then 7th, A minus B. So A में से we remove elements of B. तो B में क्या है? 2, 4, 3, 5 and 1, 5. 1, 5, 2, 4 and 3, 5. So 2, 5, 3, 4 and 4, 5. Next, 8. Interesting. A complement, intersection B. Now A complement and B, what is common? 1, 3, 1, 3. Can it be said that A and B are mutually exclusive? No. 9. Since A intersection B is not equal to null, set. Okay, null set. They are not mutually exclusive. 10th, state the number of sample points in the sample space. Sample points and outcomes is equal to 10. 10th, 3 female employees and 2 male employees are working in an office. One employee is selected from the employees of this office for training. The event that the employee selected for training is a female is denoted by A, and the event that this employee is male is denoted by B. Find the set showing the following events and answer the following question. 3 females are F1, use small f, okay. F2, F3, and 2 males are M1, M2. Therefore, first, U is equal to F1, F2, F3, M1, M2. Second, A. What is event A? Selected employee. Selected employee is female. Therefore, A is equal to F1, F2, F3. Third, B. Selected employee is male. So B is equal to M1 M2. Next, fourth, A union B. A union B. Can I say exhaustive events? Okay, A union B is F1, F2, F3, M1, M2. Fifth, A intersection B, null, mutually exclusive. Sixth, A complement intersection B. A का complement, what is first? Let's find out. A complement is equal to M1, M2. And what is B? M1, M2. Therefore, is equal to M1, 7th. Since A intersection B is equal to null, they are mutually exclusive. 8th, since A union B is equal to U, they are exhaustive. One card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. If drawing a spade card is denoted by event A and drawing a card from ace to 10, non-face card is denoted by B, write the set showing the following events. So whenever cards related questions come, ध्यान देना तो, I'll explain you. Now with cards, now over here, all these cards, 13, 13, and then red is again 13 and 13. So if I say red cards, there are total 26. If I say black cards, 26. Understood this? Okay. Each of this heart, spade, diamond and club is known as what? What do we call these? Suit. Yes, that's right. They are known as, individually all these are known as suits. Okay? And then complete 52 cards are known as what? A deck, a deck, a deck. Pack of cards we bolte hain. Or a deck of cards. Now, ये पता चल गया सबको. Now, what are face cards? King, Queen and J. K, Q and J. Understood this? Now, ये जो A है, that is known as ace. Got it? ये सब याद रखना please. Okay, काम आएगा ऐसे sums में. Cards वाले sums are favorite of teachers. Good chances they can come. पता चल गया सबको. Total there are how many cards? There are 52 playing cards. Now let's start with question number 11. One card is randomly drawn from a pack of 52 cards. If drawing a spade card, अच्छा, one हमने जो draw किया, so what is the sample space? Can I say all of them? Complete 52? Okay. Now, if drawing a spade card is denoted by event A, so event A is a spade card, and drawing a card from ace to 10, non-face card, is denoted by B, then write the set for the following event. So first, U is equal to, one card is drawn, so we can start with heart of ace, heart 2, heart 3, goes on up to heart of Q, heart K. Then A. Now what is A? A is card of spade. Now I'll write this. A is equal to spade A, spade 2, spade 3, up to spade K. Third is interesting. We are drawing a card from ace to 10, but कौन सा suit वो दिया नहीं है. Okay, so how many total cards will be there? It will be 40 cards. Isn't it? Non-face cards. So B is equal to H, A, H2, H3, H10, then spade A, spade 2, spade 3, spade 10, then diamond A, diamond 2, diamond 3, diamond 10, and then club A, club 2, club 3, club 10, fourth, A union B, bit lengthy, A union B. So over here, this will go till J, Q and K. And then again we have to write this. So H A, H2, H3, H10, spade A, spade 2, spade 3, union J. So all of them and all of them, including this, up to K. Spade K, then diamond A, diamond 2, diamond 3, diamond 10, and club A, club 2, club 3, club 10. Number of outcome will be over here 43. Will be 43 outcomes. 3 extra for this J, Q and K. Fifth, A intersection B. What is common? Spade A to spade 10. A intersection B is equal to spade 10. Sixth, B complement. B complement, can I say face cards? B complement is the face cards. Heart J, heart Q, heart K, spade J, spade Q, spade K, diamond J, diamond Q, diamond K, CJ, CQ and CK, and is equal to 12. That's it. In the 12th sum, the events A1 and A2 of random experiment are as follows. Find the set showing the union event and intersection event. First, let's write down A1 is X, where X is greater than 0 and less than 5. It means what? यहाँ पे ऐसा दिया नहीं है कि X is an integer. So it will include everything between 0 and 5, but not 0 and not 5. Is this clear? Okay. Then A2 X, where X is greater than -1, less than 3, but given X is an integer. So we write down A2 is equal to what? 0, 1 and 2. A1 is given X greater than 0, less than 5. Now, here it is not given, it is an integer. It means it can include any number more than 0. It can include 0.1 also, it can include 0.0001 also. And over here, it can include 4.9, 4.99999, but it will not include 5. So it's an open range between 0 and 5. But over here it is given X is an integer. यानी यहाँ पे it is 0, 1 or 2 specifically given. Now when I find first A1 union A2, तो ये 3 तो चाहिए मुझे और यहाँ पे 0 चाहिए, 0 से ज्यादा और 5 से कम वो सब भी चाहिए. तो उसके अंदर ये आ गया कि नहीं 1 and 2 और 0 भी है. So we take X where X greater than equal to 0, because we have 0 over here. Here we don't have, but here we have 0, and less than 5. Understood this now? Now when I go for second A1 intersection A2, अब दोनों में कॉमन क्या है? 0 यहाँ पे नहीं है, तो 0 नहीं ले सकते, 1 and 2.